The heat wave continues, and tomorrow will be in the triple digits once again, and not a lot of relief at night. So here's a look at the heat risk map, and in red that would be a major risk, and that does include Sparks, and includes Fernley, it also includes Carson City, and Reno itself. Out at the airport they have it at moderate, but we still want to be cautious as well. Overnight we're just not going to get a lot of relief too. Temperatures tomorrow will be into the triple digits, and we'll be watching the record books once again. Today though, we did break the record for today. The almanac hasn't updated yet, but the high today 104 degrees. The old record today 103. Again, the almanac hasn't updated yet, but we did break the record. Average for this time of year is 94 degrees, so 10 degrees above average, and we're still at a 101, so it still is plenty hot out there. Good amount of sunshine, but partly cloudy skies. We do have some cumulus buildups with even a couple thunderstorms on radar, mainly up in the Sierra. But the air is very dry. The humidity is only at 7%, so keep the chapstick handy as well and make sure to stay hydrated. Most of us are well into the triple digits here this afternoon. Right now the current temperature in Fallon is 105. It's 105 in Lovelock, 100 in Winnemucca, 98 in Tonopah, 104 in Bishop, and even 87 in South Tahoe. Compared to yesterday at this time, a lot of us are a degree or two hotter. We're about the same though out at the Reno Airport. Rinse and repeat again tomorrow with high pressure still in place. So overall the storm track is up to our north, but with just so much heat out there, can't rule out a stray shower thunderstorm mainly up in the Sierra. And you can see them here popping up mainly into Northern California, closer to Portola and just to the west of Bird Eye. And Reno though more than likely will stay dry. Also a few cumulus clouds when you get into the basin and range, but overall most of us will stay dry through this afternoon, and all of us are dealing with the heat, and we're not the only ones. I mean, this stretches all the way up into the Pacific Northwest, throughout California as well. So it's a pretty stubborn area of high pressure. It's still here on Monday, so tomorrow still going to crank up the heat. Highs will once again be in the triple digits. A little bit of some relief on Tuesday. Is still going to be hot, but we'll be out of the triple digits by that point as an area of low pressure moves into the Pacific Northwest, and that will shave off a few degrees. It's still going to be hot. We'll still have a good amount of sunshine too, and we'll still have to watch out for some haze because of the fires into far northern California and southern Oregon. As far as right now though, the air quality is moderate. You can see a little bit of haze out there though, and the forecast for tomorrow is moderate as well. Tomorrow though, I'm giving it a 7 because of the heat and the haze. It's too hot to give it a 10, but not a terrible day if you can find a way to cool off, if you can get some shade and perhaps go swimming. But it's going to be hot again tomorrow. 93 in Ely for your Monday, 95 in Austin, 104 in Hawthorne. So it's going to be another hot day tomorrow. The heat wave continues. 105 in Fallon for your Monday, 102 in Dayton, 104 in Lovelock with overnight lows into the mid to the upper 60s, and almost 70 degrees for a lot of our neighborhood communities, even 71 in Reno tonight, and that's the low. And 91 even in Truckee tomorrow. Will cool off a little bit quicker there, but still above average for this time of year. So the heat continues tomorrow. If you have to work outside tomorrow, make sure to take plenty of breaks, drink plenty of water. High temperatures will be in the triple digits, and we'll be watching the record books as well. Up at Lake Tahoe tomorrow, high of 88 degrees with some hazy sunshine. Just like today, can't rule out an isolated shower thunderstorm. If it does pop up, it will be brief, but the possibility is there. In Reno tomorrow, high of 104 degrees with some hazy sunshine as well. Partly cloudy skies by the afternoon, and the heat advisory goes all the way into Wednesday morning. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast here. Again, a little bit cooler on Tuesday, high of 99, 97 on Wednesday with a low of 65. Still going to be hot throughout the week, but more seasonable by Thursday and Friday. But hot this weekend, and it continues tomorrow with a high of 104.
104, you mentioned earlier, rinse and repeat. Well, we really need a good rinse in the city. We need some rain.
Yeah, we do.
I'm hoping for that.
Oh my goodness. Yeah,
nice.
that would be nice. But some of us are getting a little bit of some rain.
It is. It's a good thing. Thank you, Angela.